Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 7 of learning yoga from scratch and we are doing 21-day series and you are learning yoga from me from the very basics from zero, how I teach my students. If you have just started watching this video, then go and start from day 1. We are learning Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. Let's take the practice forward, learning forward. Keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open. Focus on your throat. Breathe deep and loud. Relax. Now, move your head side to side as fast and as freely as is comfortable to you. Keep the breath normal, natural. Switch. Now move your head up and down as freely as is comfortable to you. Now start rotating, one clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Cover 5 rotations, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise will cover one rotation. Breathing normal, natural. See how freely you are able to rotate your head. Once you are done, relax. Good. Now, as you inhale, you will move your arms up, fingers together. As you exhale, you will bring your arms down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Relax. Now clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath and retaining the breath inside, rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable. The moment you feel you're not comfortable holding the breath, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale. Start now. Relax and repeat the same thing in the reverse direction once the breath is normal. Clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate. Rotate for as long as is comfortable. You can rotate slow, you can go fast as is comfortable to you and for as long as is comfortable, retaining the breath inside. The moment you feel I'm no more comfortable, you will bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale with force. Now, as you inhale, you will move your arms up, bend back from the upper body. Exhale, return. Now swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Inhale, exhale, return. Inhale, swing back, exhale, return. Next, clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Keep moving. Now switch your arms, clench fist with the left, hold it with the right and repeat. Next, open your legs as wide as is comfortable, palms on your waist, thumb in front, forefingers back, rolling your shoulders backward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Continue. Inhale up in the center, exhale, release. Feet together, arms opening sideways. Lock your arms there. Deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the side. Relax. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance, extend your arms forward, fingers together, rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation like Kapalbhati. Every time you twist back, exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhalation happens on its own. Relax. Now, as you inhale, open your arms and legs. Exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. The sound should come only from the breath. Now, movement will remain same, breath will reverse. Exhale, open, inhale, close. Exhale, open, inhale, close. Relax. Now, keeping your feet together, extending your arms forward. Inhale, exhale, bend down. Bend down till the point when your thighs become parallel to the mat and hold. Breathe normally. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. Up. Relax. Now balance with one foot, lift the other one up and rotate. Rotate keeping breath normal, natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep rotating, keeping the breath normal. Now reverse the movement. 10 rounds clockwise, 10 anti-clockwise. Once you are done, you will relax and repeat the same thing with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. With every count, lift your heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breath normal, natural. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now up and hold. Go on your toes, lift your heels high and jump. Jump and try to come back in the same position. Breathe normally, naturally. Keep your knees straight throughout jumping. Okay, done. Relax. Legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line. Arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky. Body in the state of relaxation. Allow your whole body to relax in Shavasana. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we are going to practice belly breathing and chest breathing. We have learned it in the previous sessions. So we're going to see how well we do. In belly breathing, you will move your belly up and down. In chest breathing, you will move your chest up towards the chin. So let's start with belly breathing first. Placing your palms on the belly, just feel the movement around the belly, the natural and normal movement. We have not started regulating the breath. Just feel it. Feel the movement of the belly up and down. How naturally your belly is moving up and down. Feel it. This will relax your body further and will help you practice belly breathing better. In belly breathing, you will inhale, move your belly up vertically as much as you can. Exhale, slowly bring the belly down. This is what you have to do. Let's begin belly breathing now. Inhale slowly, belly up. Exhale slowly, belly down. 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 So one of my students is here to meet me. Now let's begin the chest breathing now. Chest will move towards the chin. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, chest down. 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 Now place your arms back to their places and relax. Your whole body is relaxed, mind is calm. And with this calm mind, we conclude today's session. I hope you enjoyed the practice. I hope you are learning every day. How you are feeling? Do let me know in the comment section. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedback, any suggestion, you can put it in the comment box. I would love to hear how you are feeling. Take care, stay healthy. Namaste.